Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Scooter Sue here, just in front of the Hotel Cimbel, which has its own splash pools on one of the balconies. Could you stay in one of these rooms and have your own splash pool? There's people on the beach today. Four-star hotel. So you can sunbathe on the sunbed and then dip off in your own little splash pool. The only thing that does worry me is that all the pools link, so surely it's all the same water. Somebody pees in theirs, it'll go right through. The library's back open now after they've redone the flooring. You can sit there in the shade, read a book or newspaper, or you can sit and play chess or drafts. It's an intense game going on there. Accessible area, it's a bit quieter today.
Two dark bodies and then I may as well manage to fuck you. Oh, sorry.
Thanks for watching guys, hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.